Welcome, guys, to my channel. Every time that we are talking about every time BOS. Many people have been asking, what is BOS? Today's we have the answer of the BOS. So let's meet after the disclaimer and discuss more about BOS. Let's meet in the chat, guys.
Welcome. So this is the rest of Forex every time where we trade, guys. So welcome to my channel. Every time we are talking what is break of structure. We are talking about the break of structure every time. So guys, listen, be attentive and you learn. So in Forex, BOS, we call it in the data. Have you ever heard about the term what? Have you ever heard about the term BOS? So you are hearing about BOS, but people are not giving you the exact meaning of the BOS. So people, this is the platform, this is the channel where you will understand all the things about the BOS. So many people are not giving what is BOS means. So in Forex, BOS likely refer to break of structure. So you have been hearing about BOS, you don't understand it. So the BOS means the break of structure, key point. So about the break of structure is a term used to describe a situation in which currency pair of another financial or financial instrument break out a well-defined price range or a pattern, potentially signaling a change in trend. Traders often use what pattern and technical analysis to identify areas of support and resistance, which can indicate when a breakout of a structure is likely to occur. However, breakout can also be unpredictable and can result in significant price move. So it is important to carefully manage risk when trading in these situations. Right? So let's enter in now details. So understand what is BOS. BOS is just a change of a trend. A change of a trend. So let's say we are going up, we change that trend now. So and if we are going down, we come up and we change that trend. So let's move in more details where, and I hope you will understand them all. Let's move later. An uptrend and downtrend break of structure. An example of now an uptrend break of structure. Let's look here. Let me zoom it well so that you can understand. Amazing. So let's enter now and zoom well so that you can understand. So an uptrend break of structure. So if it is an uptrend, we go breaking structures. Let's say example, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. So in an uptrend, we come at this point, we break this structure. We have broke it. After breaking it, we come with this structure. Whenever we break this structure, it is a significance that this price action will go an uptrend. So if we wait for a break of a structure, we break that structure, we make high low, we enter our trend, your stop loss will be here and your TP will be here, your TP. So we wait for that structure to be broken. So this is a structure formed, we break it, right? So that is for an uptrend. So let's come for a downtrend. For a downtrend, we have done market structure. So go and watch that video. That's why I prepared the market structure earlier. So for this one, for a downtrend, it is a downtrend like this, So we are breaking this structure. We are breaking the low low. For a downtrend, it makes making a high low. That is a high high. This is a low high, a low low, a low high, a low low. So when we break this structure here, we are breaking this structure. We will make another low low. We enter the trade with the break of structure. When we break this structure, it signifies the high low. It is important. It will respect the normal way of trading of the market. So understand that, guys. So that is about to break of structure. Let's enter in the examples, in deep examples of break of life and the illustration of one break of a structure. So let's enter in the chart. What do they look in the, how do we see your break of structure? So this is our chart. This is 1 hour. So let's look at it. It's amazing. Let's look at it. So here, this is an uptrend, an uptrend, an uptrend, an uptrend. So uptrend goes making high low, high low, high low, and high high, and high high. So this is an uptrend. So for an uptrend, it makes going high high, high low. So when we break the high high, that is a break of structure. When we break the high high, that is break of structure. So we are breaking this structure here to show that the market will go up, right? So if we break this structure, we make the high low, we take a short. We break the structure, we make a high, we take a short. So guys, take a trend after every break of a structure. When we break the structure, we make it high low, we take at the discount level. We call it at a discount level, or an balance area, or far value gaps. That is where we take the trade. As a smart money concept trader, those terms you need to understand them. So keep watching this channel. You will understand everything about the smart money concept, the smart money strategy. So at the final of part number 20 of these videos, it will entail all the entry when you need to enter, combination of everything about smart money. So this is a part of the smart money concept that is describing how the break of structure looks like. Let's take example 2. Let's move to example 2. For the example 2 here, now this is the drawing one. If you draw it, it looks like that, like that, like that. So you can see it resembles this, what is happening here. We break, we make the low, there is a short. We break the low, there is a short. So that amazing and fantastic. Let's move. If you want, I prepare another video about something else that is important to your side. Just in the comment section, ask for it, I will do it for you. So let's make another example here. We are making low, low, high, low, 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 like that. So that is the market structure. We have done already the market. This is a downtrend. So under downtrend, whenever we break this low, low here, this is the break of structure. We break, we make the low, we take a trade. We break, we make the low, we take a trade. We take a significant trade. Alright guys, so if you want to trade a professional way, you need to take a Forex like a professional way. So Forex, it entails a lot of things, a lot of things. For a smart money concept, that is one strategy. You will meet a trader using price smart money. There are who use technicals, there are used for price action. So for the smart money concept trader, you need to have the BOS in your mind. You need to know what is BOS, what is break of structure. So we are breaking this structure, retesting this, we take a trade. Breaking this structure, retesting this, we take a trade. Actually, you will be a professional trader. So without let's look. I want just to prepare a short video, not a very long video, but it brings the idea of break of structure. I think you have understood the break of structure. If you're new in the channel, you can subscribe for more videos that I will prepare for break of structure, guys. So you train wisely every time, you train wisely every time. The only thing that you can do to make my channel grow is just to leave a like, subscribe. That's all I have. For the mentorship, I only give it, I give free mentorship. On one, I can give it at a special case. You can find me, guys. So let's meet there on London section every day and New York section every day. We train up every time. Let's meet, guys. All right.